This futuristic SUV concept could redefine Cupra's styling for the next decade. The Tindaya crossover concept hints at a stylish future for the brand. Cupra has introduced the Tindaya concept and 4 Tribe editions in Munich. The Tindaya is an aggressive crossover that previews the brand's future styling. The Tribe editions have unique paint, special wheels, and recycled materials. Cupra is previewing their future design language with the all-new Tindaya concept. Unveiled earlier today at the Munich Motor Show, the model is an aggressive crossover that will undoubtedly turn heads. Named after a volcanic mountain in the Canary Islands, the Tindaya features a stylish shark nose front end with an illuminated logo as well as a lower front black mask. The latter is a digital display that shows constant motion that mimics waves. Elsewhere, there are triangular accents and a power dome hood. They're joined by plastic body cladding, slender pillars, and a floating roof. Speaking of the roof, it features a Y-shaped structural spine as well as 2 removable panels. The concept measures 185.8 inches, 4,720 millimeters, long and rides on 23-inch wheels. It also has a split rear spoiler, an aggressive diffuser, and rear lights with a coast-to-coast digital mask. The 2+2 interior is notably more futuristic and it features CUP bucket seats, which are wrapped in bio-attributed leather. The seats appear to float in the cabin and are separated by a full-length center console. Drivers sit behind a motorsport-inspired steering wheel and find themselves looking at a 24-inch display. To their right is a glass prism, which is known as the Jewel. Cupra said the latter is a sensory and symbolic interface that awakens the vehicle, adjusts driving modes, and transforms the atmosphere through lighting, sound, and ambient responses. Other highlights include a Sennheiser audio system and a projection band at the base of the windshield. In other news, Cupra introduced Tribe editions of the Formentor, Leon, Leon Sportstara, and Terramar. They feature unique styling inside and out. All models can be equipped with an exclusive manganese matte exterior that meshes with dark chrome accents and unique 19 or 20-inch wheels sporting sulfur green flourishes. Cupra also noted the wheels are eco-friendly as they incorporate 20% recycled material. The upgrades continue inside with special seats that were created using 3D knitting technology. The special editions also have recycled materials as well as bio-based painted accents. A dizzying array of powertrains will be available including petrol, diesel, mild hybrid, and plug-in hybrid options. These have outputs ranging from 148 horsepower, 110 kilowatts/150 PS, to 328 horsepower, 245 kilowatts/333 PS.